Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to turn any website into a floating sidebar to directory inside Chrome. No complicated setup, it only takes a minute. So let's get started. So firstly go to your Chrome browser, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for sidebar, enter, and you can select any of the sidebar which have more ratings. I will choose this. I already added this. Firstly I remove and add it again for you. Click on add to Chrome, then click add extension, and you will see it will added successfully. Now, like, I want to read any article. Firstly click on puzzle icon and mark as pin the page slide bar. Like, I want to read any article, but in this article I have little more help with AI. Then open new tab, like I am opening ChatGPT. Then select page sidebar. Here copy the link, and you will see whichever I am also resize it according to my need. If you want to mark as pin, you can click pin, and this will be shown in every tab whenever you open your Chrome browser. With the help of this, you can multitask. For example, you can, while reading the content, you can ask which thing you did not get or you did not understand. You can instantly ask, or if you want to any other content at a time, you can add it with the simple one tab click. That's it. How can you turn any website into a floating sidebar tool in Google Chrome? It's simple, clean, make multitasking much faster. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which website you would keep in your sidebar. Thanks for watching.